Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today, we're going to take a look at the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Balance wireless multi-room speaker, seen here in natural oak. Although you can get it in black, silver plus black, and silver plus natural. This high-end beauty has 12 ratings on Amazon with an average of 3.7 out of 5 stars. It weighs in at 4.1 kilograms. It's beautiful to look at and offers a sophisticated sound experience, as well as different experiences from room filling to focus sound. So you can build your sound system effortlessly, connect Bang & Olufsen multi-room speakers throughout your space to create an unparalleled sound system that brings all rooms together. Included components are the Beosound Balance, power cable, quick start guide. It can be stereo paired with the Beoplay M3, Beoplay A9 3rd Gen, Beoplay A9 4th Gen, Beosound Balance, and Beosound Core. Now let me share with you a frequently asked question about this product. Can you connect multiple balance speakers? And the answer is yes, designed to work with other balance speakers to provide stereo and or multi-room use. Also, second units and thirds are sold by Bang & Olufsen at a discounted price. Cool, that's good to know. And you can get this bad boy on Amazon Prime, which means free delivery and free shipping. So if you're going for a multi-room sound system and want the best of the best, check this out. You're gonna love it.